When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to fix apps can perform this action in uploading YouTube videos. This will pop up when you upload the video. This question is from Maze Oregon Singh. Maze, thank you for asking me this question. So, here are the steps to fix this problem. Number 1, open the video in Photo/File Manager. Number 2, click Share/Send. Number 3, select YouTube. Number 4, type your video title and description. Number 5, press upload to save it. So that's it. I hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video.
No more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way.